Changing the daily budget in Google Ads is essential for optimizing your advertising spend and achieving your campaign goals. Here's how to do it. Access Google Ads dashboard. Log into your Google Ads account and navigate to the dashboard. Select Campaign. From the campaign list, choose the campaign that you want to adjust the budget for. Edit campaign settings. Click on the campaign to access its settings. Adjust budget. In the campaign settings, locate the budget section. Click on the current daily budget amount to edit it. Enter new budget. Enter the new daily budget amount that you wish to allocate to the campaign. Google Ads will automatically update the budget based on the changes you make. Review and apply changes. Review the changes you've made to ensure they align with your advertising objectives and budget constraints. Click Save or Apply to apply the new budget to your campaign. Monitor performance. Keep a close eye on your campaign's performance metrics to evaluate the impact of the budget change. Adjust your budget further as needed to optimize performance and achieve your advertising goals.